Diversity too. Maintaining your gutters on your property is very important. If you don't, it will cost you. I've seen house after house, some of them in upper class neighborhoods, and for various reasons, the property owners did not see the importance of maintaining their gutters. It will destroy your property. Water running down side of your house, getting into the crevices, destroying your siding, your wood siding especially, and getting down into the concrete and getting under that and causing cracks, getting down into your basement and just causing your wood to rot. And just driving around, and even some people that I know let their gutters go. And it's just, it's going to be costly. So doing some simple steps to inspect them, and or have someone to inspect them for you. And just by glancing up at them, you can't see what's going on inside of them. I went over to my mom's house, and they said that they had she got a new roof installed, and she asked them that they told her that the gutters, they had cleaned the gutters. But I went up and I looked at them myself, and the gutters were packed with dirt. I asked her when the last time she had them cleaned. She said she don't remember. But the dirt was so thick, I'm surprised the gutters did not fall off. Not all of them, but in certain areas, corners of the house, the dirt, it was like, you can plant seeds in this dirt. A very simple piece of corner of a plywood, able to scrape. You can use a little garden handheld pick or shovel or scraper to get these up, but sometimes you don't have the room to stick your hand down in there and scoop it up. But this hacking piece of wood works fine, just knocking the dirt loose. This is years of buildup. They were getting the roof replaced, and I came up here just to check it out, and I noticed the gutters were full, packed with dirt from the nails here. But this one feels pretty strong. Sometimes you find these sticking out. You may have to, it's possible to knock them back in, or just make a new hole, slide it over some, and get a punch, make a hole, get a punch it right next to it, and start a new hole. Make sure this hollow piece, the nail goes straight through there. You can hold on to it, get a good grip, and dig down in there and just kind of take your hand sometimes and just dig it out, throw it down. What else can you do? That's a lot of dirt. And be safe. Sometimes you find the nails protruding out. A little sheath here, the aluminum hollow section here, and you go to knock it back in, and the wood is rotten under there, so you can take and make a new hole and find some solid wood to get that back in place. A lot of times you just take and knock it right back in. it'll go in and everything will be fine. Yeah, these nails come out, and they on the outside of the gutter. You can use one of these to even get your hole, punch it on the other outside of the gutter, and get this in the center of the gutter. And from the outside of the gutter, you're going to slide that nail through and nail the other end to the board on the house. Get your gutter back. I'll take and position my support first. It lines up inside the gutter with the hole in the gutter and the hole in the wall. So before you make a new hole, I'll get my support lined up first. Grab my nail. Make sure it's going to slide through. And just take your hammer and hit it, you're good to go. Now this gutter is completely clogged from the top. I don't know where it stops, but it is completely clogged. And I'm see if I can knock this loose just about hanging on the downspout. It is stuffed. It's causing blockage. It was clogged up. I had to knock on it.
Yeah. Oh, you see, yeah.
What's that?
See it.
Small corner gutter. Completely clogged, at least at the top. See if we can just pound on the gutter and knock it out. I was told that these gutters were in great shape. They were taken care of. but I came up and double checked, and they were not, as you can see. So we're gonna get the low gutters and the high gutters, and this business will be over. This is money. This can cost you. Diversity 2, maintaining your gutters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget